So it's another day on the plot. This is technically like the third day. Yesterday I came down. I didn't film because everybody was being so helpful. There were so many people here lending me tools, giving me ideas and plans on what to do. And one of the people here suggested that I just start digging a bed because I said that I was eager to get things in the ground. So he just showed me how to do it, lent me some tools. Yeah, so just come down here now, finished half day at work, so I've got time to crack on with some trimming and clipping and shear using stuff. I still don't know the names of the tools. James has just gone to get them now. Another plot owner let me use the back of his shed to store some of the tools that were lent to me. So yeah, going to be another busy day today. The plan is not to overdo it. So the plan is not to come down here for hours and like kill myself and then never want to come back down again. My plan is to do little and often and like chip away at it. These buckets have also been left to me, so I think I've got a couple of ideas about what I'm going to do with them. James's bridge is still standing, and in yesterday's digging exercise we found this stone as well, which is like another step, which is, you know, making it more permanent, I suppose. There's a bunch of slabs that have been left at the top, which another plot owner said that I can take because they're like offcuts of what he's using, and even though half of them are like broken, it's still better than anything I've got right now. You know, making it feel a little bit more homely. And here they are. There's the tools, thanks James. I wasn't expecting you to carry them all over at the same time. I did like 5 trips yesterday. So we got a good couple of tools here. That raised bed, not raised bed, but that like dugout area on the go. I'm gonna carry on clipping here. And James suggested that since there's already like a path going on by there, right behind me, it's really hard to see by here because it just all looks the same. But there, I should clip away that, shouldn't I?
Just go straight back, like just do a straight thing, and then you can see how far back you want to go, and then we can measure it. The problem is we can't get back there right now, so we can't measure, so we don't know how long the plot's going to be. And then obviously we want to plan like things like a shed and stuff, you know, so.
Yeah. Another exciting thing, which I didn't show in the first vlog, is that over here, there's already like a wildlife pond going on. The bridge is coming over this little tiny little stream. There's another bridge here, and ending up in this little wildlife pond. And it'd be really nice if we could get some, like, I don't know, lily pads or like any other pond planting things going on there. Maybe attract some wildlife. I mean, I'm not exactly like a massive fan of frogs or toads or anything like that, but that's good, isn't it? You're supposed to have that at a plot in you, I don't know. And James, bless him, he's borrowed someone's wheelbarrow, which they said that we could do, and I think he's gone to collect more slabs. So while he does that, I'm going to crack on with some more clearing. So Lee from the top plot came down and he advised that I try and turn this over as much as possible with a fork and then shake it and then collect all the weeds and do that a couple more times. And that I should actually try and bring it out more. So there's a bit of a square going on, and he said if I just like extend it, I'll be making better use of my space. My end goal is to get some wood, preferably ones that I've like got from Skips or like Facebook Marketplace, something like that, so I haven't got to pay for it, and make a bit of a raised bed, get some compost, well, get some cardboard, then get some compost, and then get growing by there. And then parallel to that, I want 2 smaller square ones, but there, I think. As you can probably tell, I don't really have much of a plan. There's no plan, I'm winging it. I'm taking all the advice I can get from people down here because I haven't got a bloody clue what I'm doing. But I think that's the best way to do it, because I could go away, I could do as much research as I want, come back with my own plans, but at the end of the day, I've never done it before, and I think there's nothing more valuable than taking advice from people that have been doing it for years. I think it'd be a bit big-headed of me if I came down here, they gave me loads of advice and I was like, no, I'm doing my way. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take their advice, still do a bit of research, but at the end of the day, what they're doing works, so I can't really argue with it. So here's a question. What am I supposed to do with these? I dug these out of this. What do I do with these? Only the first of many questions I'll ask you, so please help. Oh, great. But this is why I need a tripod. What am I doing with my life? So I don't even know if you can see me. What a disaster. Anyway, I need to double up on gloves because these are not thick enough for the brambles. I keep calling them brambles. I don't even know if that's the right word. It'd be much easier if I just had thicker gloves. Because this is not easy to stick to one. Comedy gold. Yeah. I'm re-recording the ending because I actually stayed an hour longer than I originally planned. I had every intention of leaving and I just thought, no, it doesn't look like I've done enough. I know that sounds weird, but it's just like I needed to make a dent, and because I hadn't made a dent in all the bushes, I was like, I can't go yet. The day's not ending, the day's not finished. So in the past hour, I think these bushes came to about where these rocks ended, and I've managed to just like clip away at them a little bit and around the side and clear on the front. So it's definitely opened up a little bit more than what it was, sorry. I think you can hear that I'm out of breath because like, I'm just so tired. I'm just so tired. But yeah, it's like really peaceful down here. Near the birds. Do I sound old? I promise I'm not that old. So that's the end of day 2 really, because I didn't really get much done yesterday, didn't film either. But yeah, I don't know whether to include these. These are just like random stuff I found digging up. No idea what this is. And then this boot, which I don't think is usable. I don't know, maybe I could plant something in there. I'm looking around because I'm worried I'm hearing people. And I'm just here with a boot like, yeah, found that. Okay, and I've also found a black bin bag that's been buried, but I'm too afraid to dig this up. Like, what if I find something in there that I don't want to find? So I'm gonna wait until James comes back for that. Yeah, I'm not doing it on my own. Anyway, if you liked the video, like and subscribe, and please leave me any comments with tips and advice you have, because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, thanks, bye.